Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left side to this settings button. When we tap here, we can open the advanced camera settings. From here let's slide a little bit down to the general settings category, and here at the second place we have save location info option. So by using the button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on like that as we need, and this option allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. Also here the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to remember to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or the mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, the location and the internet. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture. To see the photo, let's move to the left to this button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. Now let's tap on the center to get access to the gallery options, and let's move to the right corner at the bottom to this button. Here we have to pick the details. And now at the last position we can check the location with the full address, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. Also when we tap here we get quick access to Google Maps and we can check our location at the map. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.